Hello, my name's Kerry and I'm a professional skin therapist and dermatological expert. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the Gua Sha technique. So Gua Sha is a traditional Chinese medicine technique used for centuries to help break down stagnant energy and redirect energy flows within the body and the skin. So this has traditionally been used in Chinese medicine, and more recently it's been used in the skincare industry and skincare routines. This tool is normally made from jade stone or rose quartz or bone, and it's used to scrape along the skin in order to redirect those energy flows. It's a great technique to use for stimulating lymphatic drainage, increasing blood flow within the body, and promoting healing and reducing inflammation. So Gua Sha is a really simple technique to use, but it uses some quite rigorous movements and acupressure points. Now, I personally love a mixture of the two kind of movements. So today I'm going to show you some of my favorite movements that I like to use in my routine. So first of all, you may want to do some warming movements to warm up those tissues and those muscles. So first of all, we're going to start by using the curved edge of your Gua Sha. So if you have your Gua Sha to hand, then great, then join in with me and we can do this together. So we'll start by wiggling in the middle of the forehead and then scraping out to the side. So you can do this quite vigorously and quickly. And as you'll already see, the warming of the tissues. Okay, so you do that about 3 to 5 times. So it really, as you can see, stimulating already and helping to energize those facial muscles. Then around the eye area, we're going to use the point. And we're just gently going to sweep under the eye area and then out to the edge. And you can take that right out to the hairline. And then across the cheek, again, just wiggle and take out. And then along the jawline, we're going to use the little curve on your stone. And we're going to take from the middle. You can support if you need to, and out. Okay. So they're really great for warming the tissues and helping to stimulate that circulation and ready for some deeper movements. So I'm going to, first of all, start with some movements that I like for sort of lifting and firming of the skin. And now with regular use of the Gua Sha, you should find that this will help to stimulate proteins in the skin, such as your collagen and elastin, that will really help to reduce sort of saggy tissues, fine lines and wrinkles. And so you really should get that lifting effect. Now we can also use this across the chest and the neck area. And so I'm just going to go ahead and warm across there. And then up. Okay, so first of all, we'll start on the neck area. And what you need to make sure before you start your Gua Sha is that your skin is double cleansed. And if you're doing exfoliation, do your exfoliation, and then you pop on a serum, an essence, or a booster, and then you can do your Gua Sha technique. So I'm going to start by really lifting up to the jawline and then give a little wiggle. And so you can do all of these movements 3 to 5 times. Then we'll repeat on the other side. So you can see there's a real warming of the tissues. And then start by supporting on your chin area. And again, we can use this contour of the stone. And we're going to lift and then just slightly turn the Gua Sha and then wiggle. So you should really feel this sort of lifting on your cheek area. Okay, and then we're going to cover your eye, and then we're going to take your Gua Sha and we're going to lift the eyebrow, and then we're going to take that up your forehead and wiggle. and wiggle. Okay. And now we're going to work the middle of the forehead. Again, just support in the middle. Okay. And then we'll do some more movements around the eye area, just using the little point here. And so again, you can do some more draining. It's great for depuffing the eye area and also brightening the eye area. You also use the point, and we'll do a little lift here and then sweep round and finish on the temple. Sweep round, finish on the temple. Or you may also like to use the groove in the Gua Sha stone for a different contoured feel. There we go. So there's some movements using the Gua Sha. And now we're going to do some pressure point movements, which will predominantly, we'll use the tip of the Gua Sha. So I'm going to do pressure points on that side. So we're going to start again with the eye area. So if you just find, just in this little bit here, there's a little groove. So we just start with the point and just press and release. Now, if you then take round to the middle of the eyebrow and press and release, and then to the end, press and release. And we'll repeat that again 3 to 5 times. Press, release, press, release, press and release. Okay. And now we're going to move down here to what we call the glow point. So if you just press sort of about halfway down the nose, you'll feel like a little dent almost. So again, just use the tip and press, release, and then halfway across the cheek, just kind of under the cheekbone, you'll find another little point. Press, release, and then round and right between the cheekbone and the jawbone, press, release, and then we'll repeat that. Okay. And now we're going to move on to the mouth and the jaw area. So we have a little pressure point here, and then we go to here, and then drop down, and then just here on the jawline. If you clench, you can feel where that muscle is. So where the insertion point in that muscle is where we're going to treat. So it's that same press, hold, and release. And again, repeat that 3 to 5 times. So this is really, really amazing at relieving tension in that jawline, especially if you clench your teeth and jaw. So there's some of my favourite movements. I'm just going to show you a couple that you can also do on the neck area. So using the groove, if you place your hand at the base of your skull, and then you put the groove either side of your spine, sorry, the spine fits into the groove. And then you start at the base, and then you just take right up until you hit the bone. And then you can give a little wiggle, and you can repeat that a few times. Okay. Then also, if you find you're getting tension on your neck area, you can use the stone, keep it quite flat, and then take that up across your shoulders and up onto the neck. Okay, you can do that on both sides. Okay, and just for a little bit of slip and glide, you can put some of your serum or oil on your shoulders. So I hope that's been really helpful, giving you an idea. As I say, it's personal preference to which kind of movements you prefer. I like to combine a mixture of both, depending on how my skin's feeling or how my muscles are feeling on the day. There's also jade rollers that you can get, and you can also get them in the rose quartz stone as well. The main difference really is that the rollers, it's quite a simple technique. It still feels really amazing, and you'll still get the benefits of the stone and the stimulation, but it doesn't go as deep. With Gua Sha, when you use the both, you be able to feel that Gua Sha, you can really sort of get deep into the tissues and deeper into the muscles. That's the main difference. I personally like to do my Gua Sha in the evening before I go to bed. So I'll double cleanse, pop my serum on, and then I will do my Gua Sha and then pop my nighttime moisturizer on, and then do this whole technique before I go to sleep. And I just find it really helps with sort of that relaxation before sleep, and helps to give a better sleep, because I've relieved any tension that I may have been holding in my head and neck area. But what you could do is use your Gua Sha at night time if you have more time at night, and then use your jade roller or rose quartz roller during the day, during the morning routine, just as it's a little bit quicker. But it's really sort of versatile. And again, with the movements of Gua Sha, it's really versatile. You can do the movements that you feel that you need, or you can focus if you just feel you need some tension release on your neck area, then just use your Gua Sha on that area. Or if your eyes are feeling really tired and they need a bit of revitalizing and depuffing, then use your Gua Sha just around the eye area. And they say a minimum of 3 to 5 times. But if you want to do more, you can, but you just take it to the level that your skin can tolerate. And also the pressure that you use should be what your skin can tolerate and what your muscles can tolerate. Obviously, if it hurts, you're probably going a little bit too deep, but just sort of listen to your skin and do what's comfortable for you. But if you have any more questions about Gua Sha, then please get in touch. Please like the video if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see some of my future videos. And as I say, please get in touch if you have any questions or need any more advice. Thank you for watching. Bye.